Alausa has held Education Public-Private Partnership Roundtable on zero-rated data and devices for Nigerian teachers, a high-level engagement aimed at strengthening collaboration and improving outcomes within Nigeria's education sector. Earlier today, the minister inspected operational TVET centers where students are currently participating in the program in Abuja. Welcome to Echo Blog and TV. My name is Comfort Olayinka. Stay tuned for more reports. The Federal Ministry of Education has inaugurated the Ministerial Implementation Committee for the Education Public-Private Partnership Pilot Project aimed at enhancing digital learning in Nigeria's education system. The Minister of Education, Dr. Maruf Tunji Alausa, emphasized the need for stronger collaboration with the private sector to transform education delivery at the foundational level. He stressed that technology and data remain central to education reform, adding that digital tools must become more accessible to teachers and learners across the country.
We all agree on one thing. The output is directly proportional to the input. The quality of any student, the quality of education any student gets is directly proportional to the quality of the teacher. And if you want to have quality students who are capable of making lifelong decisions, navigating their lives well, you need high quality teachers. And we know that. And that's what our Nigerian Education Sector Renewal Initiative for Renewal is set to do. I won't bog you with this first slide. So we set out with 6 high priority areas. TVET, expansive TVET agenda, deepening science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education, confronting our out-of-school children, focusing on girl child education, quality assuring the kind of teachers that teach our children and the quality of education that our children get. And a big cost enabling component of our nursery is data and digitalization. Like our president would say, without data, like you're flying blind.
Other stakeholders who spoke at the event include Dr. Ronke Shoyombo, Registrar and Chief Executive of the Teachers Registration Council of Nigeria, who described the initiative as a landmark step towards digital inclusion and teacher empowerment.
It is with great pleasure and a sense and a deep sense of purpose that I bring you warm greetings from the Teachers Registration Council of Nigeria. I am honored to deliver this goodwill message at this pivotal ministerial roundtable on public-private partnership for digital learning initiatives under the EPPP project. Today's gathering is a testament to a collective resolve to reimagine education in Nigeria through inclusive, innovative, and sustainable digital strategies. The theme of this roundtable, particularly the focus on the provision of zero-rated subsidized data bundles to education platform, is not only timely, but also critical to bridging the digital divide that continues to hinder equitable access to quality learning.
Aisha Garba, Executive Secretary of the Universal Basic Education Commission, commended the Minister for driving the digital learning agenda under the renewed hope vision of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The Minister's efforts has shown significant commitment to education reform and youth empowerment in Nigeria.
Digital learning is one of the top priorities of this particular administration. As you know, within Federal Ministry, as well as all the parastatals, we call our minister the Digital Minister. As we strive to make learning more inclusive, interactive, and data-driven, today's conversation on zero-rated data and devices for teachers reflects our shared commitment to bridging the digital divide across the education sector. In line with this particular initiative, within UVEC, we have taken serious steps into digitalizing the education system First, we set up a department called Digital Platform Analytic Department. This particular department is tasked with digitalizing the education delivery across all states in Nigeria, working closely with SUBEX as well as development partners. We also have a unit called AI, Artificial Intelligence, and this unit is tasked with ensuring AI is used positively in our classrooms, as well as support teachers to deliver teaching more effectively to our students.
In a related development, Dr. Alausa announced the verification of over 960,000 Nigerian youth for technical and vocational skills training under the Ministry's Technical and Vocational Education and Training Initiative. He made this known during an inspection visit to selected TVET partner centers in Abuja.
We took our time to curate the way this vocational training will be done. We looked at the various trades that we had in the country that people were doing in the name of vocational training, technical and vocational training, from about 86 trades. We narrowed those trades down to about 28. Trades that matter, that we need for our country. Fashion and garment making, livestock, GSM repair, farming, plumbing, tiling. We also worked on creating the curriculum, the course study. We wanted it to be heavily practical based, 90% practical and 20% theoretical. After that's been done, we opened the portal to the nation. Almost 1.3 million applied for 10 days. We had to close it quickly. So of the 1.3 million youths that applied, we finalized about 960,000 youths on that portal. And from the beginning, we said this is different. We have a president, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that believes so much in the power of our youth. Believes that the youth, they are the heartbeat of this nation. And this president is determined to give them the skills, the opportunities for them to thrive.
The initiative aims to equip youth with practical skills for employment and entrepreneurship, promoting national development through vocational excellence. Over 250,000 trainees are currently enrolled in the first cohort, undergoing hands-on training across 2,600 centers nationwide. Comfort Olayinka, Ecohot Blog TV.